Ladies and gentlemen, it is often said that everything is fair in love and war. Yes, Delhi's election is a full-fledged war, but has the Aam Aadmi Party crossed the line with its claim that Haryana is deliberately poisoning the water that Delhi drinks? The charge has been stunning. The Aam Aadmi Party has called it water terrorism. Mr. Kejriwal says, hang me, but I will not back down on my claim. The BJP says Mr. Kejriwal needs to apologize for his Manohar Kahanis or he needs to face a defamation suit. That is what Haryana's Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini is saying. The Congress wants the Election Commission to investigate and arrest Mr. Kejriwal if he is lying. In fact, Ajay Maken is calling him anti-national. The Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP have sent letters and delegations to the Election Commission today that is in charge of Delhi right now. Listen in to who said what today.
कल सीईओ दिल्ली जल बोर्ड ने जो चिट्ठी लिखी थी उसमें उन्होंने ये कंफर्म किया था कि दिल्ली के अंदर जो पानी आ रहा है उसमें अमोनिया नाम का जहर मिक्स होके आ रहा है। उन्होंने खुद ही कंफर्म किया था। सैनी साहब, वो राजनीति ना करें, पानी के ऊपर राजनीति मत करो, पाप चढ़ेगा तुमको, लोगों की बद्दुआएं लगेंगी। गंदा पानी, जहर वाला पानी अगर जनता को पिलाओगे, मेरे को डरा रहे हैं केस कर देंगे, कर दो केस। केस करने में कोई कसर छोड़ रखी है तुम लोगों ने? जेल भेज दिया, फांसी पे चढ़ाओगे मेरे को? कर दो केस। तुम जनता को मारोगे क्या? दिल्ली की जनता को तुम जहर का पानी मिलाओगे और केजरीवाल आवाज उठाएगा तो डराओगे कि केस कर देंगे? कर दो केस, लेकिन दिल्ली की जनता को मरने नहीं दूंगा मैं। जहर का पानी नहीं पिलाऊंगा मैं दिल्ली की जनता को। ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी अपनी गंदी राजनीति से बाज आए।
हमने इलेक्शन कमीशन को बताया कि किस तरह से यमुना में पानी जो हरियाणा से आ रहा है उसमें अमोनिया का लेवल जहरीले लेवल्स तक पहुंच गया है। दिल्ली के वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट्स 1 ppm 2 ppm तक अमोनिया को ट्रीट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन पिछले कुछ दिनों से लगातार जो अमोनिया का स्तर है 4, 5, 6, 7 ppm तक पहुंच गया है। इलेक्शन कमीशन से आज शाम को मिलने हरियाणा के भी मुख्यमंत्री नायब सिंह सैनी जी आ रहे हैं और इलेक्शन कमीशन ने हमें भरोसा दिलाया है कि दिल्ली के लोगों के हित में जो डिसीजन होगा, इलेक्शन कमीशन हरियाणा का पक्ष सुनने के बाद वो डिसीजन लेगी।
आपने कहा कि आपके अधिकारियों ने उसे रोक लिया। ये कोई चुल्लू का पानी नहीं है जो हाथ से रोक लिया गया। और अब जब जल बोर्ड की तरफ से भी यह बात आ चुकी है कि पूर्णतः गलत है, तो यह दर्शाता है कि आम आदमी पार्टी और केजरीवाल जी ने उस निचले और छिचले स्तर का आरोप एक दूसरे प्रदेश की सरकार पर लगाने का प्रयास किया है, जो युद्ध के समय पाकिस्तान ने भी भारत पर नहीं लगाया था। केजरीवाल जी की पानी पर दी गई यह वाणी निश्चित रूप से दिल्ली के हर व्यक्ति के मन को झकझोर रही है कि राजनीति किस सीमा पर जा रही है, और यह दिल्ली के मान सम्मान का प्रश्न है। दिल्ली के बाद गंगा जमुना जी उत्तर प्रदेश में जाती है। कोई कम पढ़ा लिखा व्यक्ति कह रहा होता तो एक बार हम मान लेते कि वो बहकावे में कह रहा है, पर स्वघोषित अत्यंत पढ़े लिखे IIT ग्रेजुएट यदि कोई यह बात कह रहा है तो इसका मतलब ये बचकानी नहीं, ये शरारतन बोला जा रहा है और ये किसी बहुत गहरे षड्यंत्र के द्वारा अपनी हार को छुपाने के लिए इस प्रकार की निम्न स्तर की बातें की जाए।
जब मैं गाजियाबाद से दिल्ली की ओर आ रहा था तो बहनों और भाइयों, यमुना जी जो कभी भारत की पौराणिक नदी के रूप में हम सबकी आस्था की प्रतीक थी, हम लोग तो दो ही नारा लगाते थे, हर हर गंगे हर हर यमुने के नारे लगाते थे। वहां से बदबू आ रही थी, सीवर जैसी बदबू आ रही थी इस पावन यमुना नदी से। दिल्ली के अंदर आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार के पाप का भुक्तभोगी।
देखिए, ये अटेंशन सीकर है और ऐसा जानबूझ करके कुछ बात करते हैं जिससे सारा ध्यान इनके ऊपर आए, लेकिन जो इन्होंने बात कही है बड़ी गंभीर बात है। अगर तो वाकई हरियाणा सरकार ने उसमें जहर मिलाया है तो उसके ऊपर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए, FIR दर्ज होना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही सीरियस मैटर है और इसमें जांच होनी चाहिए। लेकिन अगर नहीं मिलाया है तो ये अफवाह जो केजरीवाल फैला रहे हैं ये भी बहुत सीरियस मैटर है। तो जब मैं कहता हूं कि केजरीवाल एंटी नेशनल है, अगर ये बात अफवाह है, अगर ये बात झूठ है, तो वाकई में केजरीवाल एंटी नेशनल है।
This is a very, very serious, I think it's a criminal, complaint you're making. And my thing is that if the charges leveled by Arvind Kejriwal and Atishi are true, then case should immediately be filed against Haryana government. No government can live and continue if they attempt any kind of a public genocide. I think the government should be dismissed, the CM should be put behind bars. However, as the Delhi Jal Board CEO says that what Arvind Kejriwal is saying is a lie, in that case, for spreading public disaffection, for creating panic, almost as a strategy of disaffection against the state, I think Arvind Kejriwal and Atishi should be put behind bars and criminal charges filed against them.
Now, the Jal Board CEO, in a letter to the Chief Secretary, has called Mr. Kejriwal's claims baseless fear-mongering. That's the letter that Sandeep Dixit was referring to. The Delhi Jal Board CEO, her name is Shilpa Shinde, says that ammonia levels in the Yamuna go up during winters as the water flow reduces. She also has said that the 3 treatment plants in Delhi are capable of cleaning up water that has up to 6.5 ppm of ammonia. But Delhi Chief Minister Atishi in turn is claiming that the Delhi Jal Board CEO is lying under pressure. Atishi has also claimed that the ammonia level in the Yamuna has gone up to 7 ppm in the last 2 days. That is 700% beyond the treatable limit. So the question is Mr. Kejriwal and Atishi raising legitimate concerns, or is this needless fear-mongering? I'm putting that question to my guests who are joining me this evening. Anmol Panwar is spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. He's joining us on the broadcast. Dr. Anil Gupta is spokesperson of the Delhi BJP, joining us on the broadcast. Bavreen Kandhari is an environmentalist. She is also a citizen of Delhi and therefore will be speaking as a citizen of Delhi. And Udayji is not a citizen of Delhi. He's a citizen of Mumbai, but he's a senior journalist who observes Delhi's politics very closely and has fun on our behalf, is all I can say. He's joining us on the broadcast as well. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for being with us. Anmol Panwar, has the Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal and Atishi made a grave mistake by saying that the Haryana BJP is deliberately poisoning the water that flows into Delhi and Delhiites drink to create chaos in the city, create disaffection against the Aam Aadmi Party and win the election? Anmol Panwar, because the charge is very serious. I asked you yesterday as well. Where is the proof? Where is the proof that they deliberately did it? Ammonia levels are high, they're high every winter. This is what the Delhi Jal Board CEO is saying. How do you know they deliberately did it?
Shreya ji, this is a calculated act designed to sabotage the Delhi elections, and this DJB letter itself has exposed. You were mentioning about Shilpa Shinde. Here's the letter signed by Shilpa Shinde, and I'll read the relevant extract from it. It says that ammonia in river Yamuna increases during October to February, and the plants are designed to treat the ammonia up to 1 ppm. They are very clearly saying up to 1 ppm. Ammonia up to 2 to 2.5 ppm is also being treated at water treatment plants. Now in the third paragraph they write, presently
and
the ammonia is around 6.5 ppm in the river Yamuna at the Wazirabad pond. No. It has not been mentioned. It has not been mentioned. I'm showing, here's the highlighted part. In the last 5 days, just before the Delhi elections, this ppm rises 700%. I mean, how is it possible? because they are deliberately releasing the untreated waste and industrial discharge into the river Yamuna. This paragraph, third paragraph, you must read it for your viewers. It nowhere mentions that ammonia levels up to 6.5 ppm can be treated. It very categorically states that only up to 2 ppm the water treatment plants can function. Otherwise, they can't function. That is why we are saying that Haryana government is making a last-ditch effort, because they know that they are losing the Delhi elections very badly. They tried everything. Nothing worked. That is why they are now resorting to this dirty politics and are playing with the lives of people of Delhi. But we won't let it happen. We will expose these BJP people who have stooped to a new low in India's politics.
Dr. Anil Gupta, respond. Essentially, what the Aam Aadmi Party has said, the Delhi Jal Board CEO can say what they want to say and give any explanation they want to give. They are under the pressure of the LG to try and somehow implicate the Aam Aadmi Party and give the BJP a clean sheet.
Yeah, good evening to you and all the viewers. You know, Delhi draws this raw water from 4 sources. One is the Yamuna, another is Munak Nehar, the third one is Ganga Nehar, and the fourth is the groundwater. So there is no problem in the 3 sources. The source is only with this Yamuna. As per the Yamuna Treaty, minimum E-flow of 1,000 cusecs is maintained at upstream, and minimum 500 cusecs flow is maintained at Okhlabere, the downstream. I'm showing you this report. This is the latest report of the Delhi government. You can zoom it out. This shows the quality of Yamuna at Palla is quite impressive. The dissolved oxygen is quite high, is 6 to 9. The fecal coliform, wherein we mentioned about the quality of the water, is 1,200. But the same report shows when the Yamuna goes out of Delhi, it is alarming. The dissolved oxygen is 0 and the fecal coliform is 8,40,000. In fact, the Kejriwal Saab, the Aam Aadmi Party, is doing the criminal negligence, the criminal offense, by giving 500 cusecs of raw water to UP and Haryana in a very bad shape, is untreated water. In fact, the Aam Aadmi Party Sanyojak, the Atishi should be sued. Why they are supplying back the 500 cusecs of this raw water that is in the form of the all effluent. This is the report I'm saying. And they are talking about this Shilpa Shinde letter. Just at the cost of repetition, I am reading out the last para, which you have also. The matter is being brought to your attention given the fact that such false statement leads to fear-mongering among city residents and also adversely impact relation with the upper riparian state of Haryana. Given that this matter is likely to affect interstate relation, these facts may be brought to the attention of Honorable Ministry. This is the last para of the letter of Shilpa Shinde. One more thing. Should can this Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson reply why out of 37 STPs, that is the report of the Delhi government, which I am you can zoom it out, why these 37 STPs are not treating the sewage properly? Their latest report says they are throwing untreated and partially treated this effluent to the Yamuna. Why the 22 drains which are directly throwing this effluent to Yamuna, why they are not treating it? So the main culprit is Arvind Kejriwal, the Atishi and the Aam Aadmi Party. And in fact, the criminal negligence case should be framed against them for giving the dirty water to the Yamuna, to the Haryana and UP. And they are just creating a panic.
Okay, I understand what you're saying, Mr. Gupta. Essentially, the BJP is making exactly the same charge at the Aam Aadmi Party as the Aam Aadmi Party is making against the BJP. But Anmol Panwar and Mr. Arvind Gupta, the fact is that water is something that concerns the lives. Dr. Anil Gupta, beg your pardon. Water is something that concerns the citizens of Delhi, India's national capital. Now, Anmol Panwar, Mr. Kejriwal in his soundbite very passionately said, पानी के ऊपर politics नहीं होनी चाहिए. पानी के ऊपर politics करोगे तो पाप लगेगा, right? That is what he said, Anmol Panwar. लेकिन पानी के ऊपर politics कर कौन रहा है? If the Delhi government, एक तो the Jal Board has denied it, but anyhow, if the Delhi government and Atishi and Mr. Kejriwal found that the levels of ammonia were very high in the river Yamuna, what is the first thing they do? is the first thing they do call Nayab Saini, the Chief Minister of Haryana, to work it out? Or is the first thing they do call a press conference and create a bakheda in front of the press? बताइए, as a responsible government करना क्या चाहिए सबसे पहले? नायाब सिंह सैनी को फोन या प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस बुलाओ?
Would you allow me 30 seconds to show the reality to your viewers? I mean, our leader went to that place, and here's the reality.
इस वक्त पानीपत में खड़ा हूँ। पानीपत में ये मेरे ठीक पीछे जो आप देख रहे हैं, इतना चौड़ा नाला, और इसमें सैकड़ों हजारों क्यूसेक पानी बह करके आता है। ये सारा इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्ट है। 400 इंडस्ट्रियल यूनिट, जो डाइंग यूनिट यहाँ पर लगी हुई है पानीपत के अंदर, उनका सारा का सारा वाटर वेस्ट बह करके यहाँ पे आता है। कोई रोकथाम नहीं, कोई एसटीपी नहीं यहाँ पे काम कर रहा है। ये पूरी तरह से खुला दरबार है और ये सीधा आके यहाँ यमुना में मिल जाता है।
It's a reality that the STPs of the Haryana government, they are not working. They are responsible to provide water to Delhi as per the treaty which was signed in 1993. But the people of Delhi doesn't deserve this poison. Why is it that there's a sudden spike in ammonia levels? Why is it that the Haryana government is oblivious of this fact when it's their own responsibility to ensure that the people of Delhi get clean water? Shreya ji,
Anmol Panwar, you have
Shilpa
still not
Shinde,
answered my
the
question.
IAS, she herself
सवाल का जवाब
admitted
दीजिए।
that it is only, it is only up to 2 point. देखिए हमने तो ये सबके संज्ञान में बात लाई है ना। जो सरकार चला रहे हैं, the one who's running the government, isn't it his responsibility to ensure that the national capital gets clean drinking water? या हम उन्हें याद दिलाएंगे कि हरियाणा में जो है सबसे ज्यादा प्रदूषण है आज देश में? या हम उन्हें याद दिलाएंगे कि दिल्ली की जनता को भी साफ पानी मिलना चाहिए? I mean, why is it happening just 10 days before the election?
नहीं,
Just to influence the election, just to ensure not a level playing field in this election. ये केवल इसलिए किया जा रहा है because Haryana government wants to defame the Aam Aadmi Party government. They want to convey a message to the people of Delhi that we are not able to provide clean water. That is their real intent behind this. But we will expose these hypocrites.
Okay. But जिस एजेंसी की कल आप पीठ थपथपा रहे थे मिस्टर पनवर, दैट इज द दिल्ली जल बोर्ड, दैट इटसेल्फ हैज कम आउट एंड कॉल्ड द चार्जेस बेसलेस fear mongering. Yesterday you had only said na Bhavrin Kandhari, you want to come in, you can, but you had only said, and Mr. Kejriwal had only said, Delhi Jal Board के officials were very vigilant और उन्होंने ये गंदा पानी आने से रोक दिया and दिल्ली वालों की जान बचा ली, right? You said this, that Delhi Jal Board itself is saying ऐसा कुछ नहीं था.
Shreya
Yes,
ji,
ammonia levels have gone up. Papers are showing that. They are at alarming levels. I agree with you there as well. I am asking you, your charge was specific that जबरदस्ती जहर घोला जा रहा है. That जबरदस्ती जानबूझ के जहर घोला जा रहा है. Whether that charge stands or not, we don't know. I think there should be a criminal investigation now. Bhavrin Kandhari, would you want to come in here?
Yes, thank you, Shreya. I just want to very clearly say this without mincing any words, that they don't give a damn. None of the politicians or the political parties give a damn to the citizens. Because if they did, then even we don't even have a mention of one word on clean air in their manifestos. They don't even think. You and I have been on the shows. I speak on clean air because I work on that, and we are citizens, mothers, parents who are so concerned, and years after years we are fighting that battle. They have not even brought that something so important that even the Supreme Court is talking about it, even as of yesterday, but they haven't even brought that as something so important. So they really don't give a damn about anything. Water is just another agenda right now, which is becomes, if they were so concerned, like you said, when the STP plants are not working, they are being exposed. There is whether it's Haryana, UP, Delhi, Faridabad, Hindon, the citizens have actually gone on the ground. They are showing you. ये अभी एक वीडियो दिखा रहे हैं. रोज मैं आपको 300 वीडियोस दिखा सकती हूँ जो सिटीजन्स डाल रहे हैं, जिसके अंदर वो इतना इजिली आपका डेटा, आपको सब कुछ दिखा रहे हैं. वो पूरे सालों में कुछ नहीं करा उसके लिए. इवन दिस डाइंग यूनिट्स एटसेट्रा, there are citizens who are actually risking their own lives. They're risking threats from these big industrial units, and actually going and exposing this. But there is no absolutely no, not an ink of a difference it's made to anybody at the government at that level. I mean, how much violation needs to be reported? That is the जहर आप घोल रहे हैं. जहर सब घोल रहे हैं क्योंकि जहर आप पूरा साल ये गलतियां हो रही हैं और ये वायलेशंस हो रही है और मर्जी से हो रही हैं क्योंकि आप उनको देखना ही नहीं चाहते, उनको करेक्ट ही नहीं करना चाहते. And now coming in the end and talking about something that means nothing. The STP plants have been exposed. There is no the super amount of violations or what you say is gaps between the actual treatment and what it should be. So without getting into the figures and data, वो तो लाके कागज दिखा दे, मैं भी दिखा दूं कितने कागज हैं, कितने videos हैं. I don't know how much one can show. But this is ridiculous. You've not cared. Each one of you is responsible. आपने genocide बोला है. Genocide तो है. हर तीसरा बच्चा Delhi has damaged lungs, and you've not bothered to even bring this important aspect into your manifestos. That means political will तो बहुत दूर की बात है. दिखावा भी नहीं आप कर रहे. दिखावा तो कर देते कि हम we care about clean air,
Anmol
clean
Panwar.
water. These are the two things that the city and the citizens
You know what
deserve.
Delhi
This is a,
citizens are saying.
birthright.
Anmol Panwar, respond to a Delhi citizen who is not politically
Shreya
aligned.
ji, in the last
कि यमुना तो हमेशा से गंदी है. एक मिनट, STF तो कभी भी
जी,
काम
in
नहीं
the
करते.
last-
पहली बार है that ammonia levels in Delhi have gone up to 7 ppm. No, that is also not true.
No.
हरियाणा ने अभी वाटर पोल्यूशन लेवल्स 7 ppm करे या नहीं ये तो पता नहीं, लेकिन आप अभी इस बात को क्यों रेस कर रहे हैं उस पे भी सवाल पूछा जाएगा. कहानी तो यही है ना पिछले 10 साल से यमुना की.
Shreya ji, in the last देखिए केवल यमुना की बात नहीं है. In the last 10 years, she also raised, Bhavreen ji also raised questions about what we have done to reduce pollution. And in the last 10 years, the green cover of Delhi has increased from 20 to 23%. We tried everything to make Delhi a clean and green city. That is why I increased the number of buses to 7,700. We have the largest fleet of electric buses. We shut down the thermal power plants. All the industries which were running on diesel and petrol have been turned into PNG. And here's the Supreme Court recently said that pollution is a pan-India problem. Although the Bharatiya Janata Party won't ever acknowledge it because they have governments in 22 states, unki accountability तय होगी वरना.
No, it
Here's
is
a
a
report which
pan-India
says that
problem.
39 out of the 50
But
polluted
आप
cities
जो
are in
फेरिस्त
India.
पढ़ रहे हैं उससे
But
ऐसा
we
लग रहा है
are-
कि दिल्ली में राम
See,
राज्य आ गया.
here's India is the third most polluted
Pollution levels
country.
had hit 900 this time. I hope
नहीं,
you
हम ये नहीं
recognize
कह रहे,
that.
दिल्ली
Cities
में-
shut down when pollution levels hit 900, but we continue to
Third-
survive. I don't know how. I asked you a simple question. Don't go.
See,
I asked you a simple question.
environment-
Bhavreen is saying.
Shreya ji, environment does not recognize
आज सब पेपर दिखा रहे हैं मेरे को, बहुत
boundaries.
बढ़िया।
ऐसा नहीं है कि हम ये कहेंगे दिल्ली और गाजियाबाद के बीच में नहीं. मैं ये कह रहा हूँ environment does not recognize state boundaries. हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि गाजियाबाद में जो है राम राज्य आया हुआ है, दिल्ली में नहीं है, नोएडा में आया हुआ है, मेरठ में आया हुआ है, ग्रेटर नोएडा में आया
And
हुआ है.
neither do
Every
rivers.
state, every city is reeling under severe
Mr. Panwar,
pollution.
neither do
That
rivers.
is
अगर जानबूझ के कोई जहर
Even-
घोलेगा
even-
यमुना में तो उसका
even-
पानी हरियाणा भी पीता है और उत्तर प्रदेश भी पीता है. डॉक्टर उदय निर्गुरकर, would you want to come in here? You are sitting in Bombay, happily smiling, looking at things as they are unfolding in Delhi. Delhi's elections were always muddied, but has it gotten worse?
Madam, I'm happily smiling because of one thing. The state which boasts to have 2.5 times more per capita income than the national average doesn't deserve a good water, doesn't deserve a good traffic condition, doesn't deserve a good flood management system, or doesn't deserve a good quality of air to breathe. This is ridiculous what I see it over here. And the real problem is the geological conditions of Delhi make the groundwater harder. But the geopolitical situation has made it more harder. The current requirement of Delhi is 1,300 million gallons per day. Today we are supplying only 1,000 million gallons per day. The 300 gap million gallons per day is excavated from the groundwater, which is absolutely contaminated. You know what is the debt of Delhi Jal Board? किसी ने इसकी माली हालत देखी है क्या है? 73,000 करोड़, 73,000 crore is the debt of Delhi Jal Board. And today we are discussing on the wake of elections this issue. Did anyone try to solve this issue? Now, on the day of election, you raise that Yamuna is polluted because of this state and because of that state. What you were doing for 4.5 years? जितना हंगामा ज्यादा होगा उतना दिल्ली ज्यादा तन्हा होगा. किस तरह भूला इस शहर के हंगामे को? यहाँ हर दर्द अभी बाकी है और यहाँ हर जख्म अभी ताजा है. Be it anything, Delhi becomes nothing else but advertisement, advertisement, advertisement. जितना पैसा आपने 4-4.5 साल में एड पे खर्चा किया, if you would have spent on reducing the debt burden of Jal Board and working on the good quality water and air, Delhi would have been a better place and people would not have ridiculed it as a capital punishment to stay in this country or stay in this state. That's the way the Delhi life is. This has to be sorted out in this election. I'm sure Delhi will vote on this issue itself, that they deserve better water, better air, better traffic, and better flood management system. How come same water rain happens?
That is, Dr. Uday, that is
everywhere?
wishful thinking. Dr. Uday, that is wishful thinking. There are so many freebies on the other side from all political dispensations that the vote will become about freebies, like it happened in Maharashtra. That is the ugly reality of this country, the poisonous reality of this country. We'll leave it there for the moment. You can disagree with me, but we'll leave it there for the moment. Ladies and gentlemen, again, I'm saying the charge is not that the Yamuna is polluted. The specific charge, the specific charge that the Aam Aadmi Party has made is that the Yamuna has deliberately been polluted by Haryana to finish off people in Delhi, to make them sick, genocide, mass murder, water terrorism. The charge is very specific. The charge is something that needs to be investigated. There needs to be a criminal investigation into this. ये तू मैं से नहीं चलेगा. Election Commission जाने से नहीं चलेगा. We'll see how far this story travels. For the moment, Dr. Uday, thank you very much. Babreen, thank you very much. Dr. Gupta, thank you. And Anmol Panwar, good to have you on the show. Thank you very much. We'll wrap it there. Thanks for watching.